Look at that. We're doing Mr. Tait's first oil change today. This is a milestone. Now what we're doing here, you know what I wanted the book for? Look here. Get back here in the index. You see where it says fluid? A lot of times, it'll say fluid capacities. Right here, you see where it says recommended fluid? We're going to page 251. So you go to your index, and you find your fast track to what you want to know. Engine oil. Now, it ain't giving us what we want there. Let's go back to index. So this time, instead of fluid, we're going to look under C. We're going to go to capacities and specifications on 232. Engine, V6. All right, look here. Look here. So you got your VIN for your engine code. S means the 6-cylinder, 3.8 liter. This says it's a 3.4. That ought to be the same difference though. You got 4 quarts there. See that? Right here. See 4 quarts? And you see back over here, engine code S is V6. So we know we need to put 4 quarts in here for it to be full. And you see what we done took out of there? That ain't no 4 quarts. So that little light that was coming on that said the engine oil was low, it was the car screaming at y'all that something bad might have been about to happen. Especially with it being that black. You got me? He got me.